The Socorex Classic line includes a series of 287 twin models consisting of tubing and vial feeding injectors. They allow the injection of 2 vaccines at a time using 2 separate needles, or alternatively connecting the 2 channels by means of the single needle manifold supplied as an option. Both syringe volumes can be adjusted separately after untightening the locking nuts and adjusting each plunger position to the desired volumes. The locking nuts are then strongly retightened. Priming and injecting, as well as disassembling and cleaning, are similar operations as on the regular 187 syringe.